Let's start with a simple truth. The divine feminine and divine masculine are not genders. They are energies, two sacred polarities that exist within all of us, within the universe itself. The feminine is the energy of creation, intuition, nurturing, receiving, and feeling. It's a space of the unseen, the mystery, the dream world, the womb of the void where all life is born. The masculine is the energy of structure, action, clarity, consciousness, and direction. It's the consciousness beam of awareness that brings presence and stability. When balanced, the feminine opens and the masculine holds. The feminine dreams and the masculine builds. Together, they are whole. One completes the other. That is divine union. Now let's go deeper. In ancient mythology, the story of Isis and Osiris reflects this sacred union. Isis represents the divine feminine, the magician, the healer, the mother, the priestess. Osiris, her beloved, represents the divine masculine, the king, the one who rules with wisdom, stability, and love. When Osiris was killed and dismembered by his jealous brother Set, Isis traveled the realms to find and resemble his body, breathing life back into him through her magic and devotion. Through her, he was reborn, not just as a king, but as a god of the underworld. This story isn't just a myth. It's a memory of a cosmic design. Originally, the divine feminine held a bridge between human and the divine. She was a tree of life, rooted below and reaching above, connecting realms. Through her, the masculine was crowned. She initiated him into his divine role. Together, they held the balance. But then came the fall. The fall is the moment when the divine feminine was severed from the upper realms. The Elohims, or the distorted aspect of them, cut down the tree of life, the very bridge that connected spirit to matter. The cosmic womb that nourished the soul was inverted. Instead of rising through the feminine to reach the divine, humanity was given the tree of knowledge, a system of mind, logic, and control, separated from love and soul. This is how the true divine masculine became doormatted. Because without the feminine to initiate him, he cannot fully rise. And what replaces him was not strength but force, not protection but domination. What we now see is much of this world is distorted masculine, disconnected from the sacred, from the heart, from the feminine that completes him. And the feminine, she was blamed, demonized, silenced. Her realm, the dream world, the shadow world, the intuitive world, was labeled dangerous, dark, and chaotic. But in truth, they are the keys. Because when she rises, when Isis remembers, when Mary Magdalene reclaims her field, she activates the tree of life. She clears the distortion, transmutes the shadows, and calls the masculine home. Only through her resurrection can the true masculine return, not as a king of empire, but as a king of heart, as Christ consciousness, born not through force, but through union. This is the path of restoration, one of healing the rift, bringing balance back into the world. And it's beginning with the feminine remembering who she is. This is Magdalene. Thanks for listening. Peace.